Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook, we are making this super creamy, spicy buffalo sauce. We're going to add in a lot of chicken, a lot of cheese. If you are a buffalo chicken fan, you are going to love this buffalo chicken dip. Y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, we're going to start by sauteing our veggies. We're going to add some butter into my large skillet. Once that butter has melted, I'm going to throw in my celery and my onions. I love adding celery and onion into this dip. It goes so well. It just goes so well. So don't skip this step. Add those sauteed veggies in there. Go ahead and cook those down just until it's nice and tender. And then we're going to add in our garlic, lots of garlic. Let that cook until it's nice and fragrant and smelling really good. And now we're going to move on to our base. The base for this dip is some cream cheese. Dump that cream cheese in there. We're going to add in a little bit of sour cream. Okay. Now I've turned my heat down a little bit, so don't forget to turn down your heat. You don't want it to be too hot. Next I'm going to add in some salad dressing. I have mixed up blue cheese and ranch. You can use plain blue cheese, plain ranch, doesn't really matter. Next I'm going to add in some hot sauce. Okay, let's talk. For this hot sauce, you guys, when it comes to this dip, buffalo chicken dip, I only like Cholula hot sauce. As much as I love Frank's, I love Texas Pete, I love all that, but in this dip, for some reason, I don't like it in the dip. I think it's the vinegar in those. It's just honey. But you can use Frank's if you want to, okay? Or your favorite kind. Okay, so I threw in a lot of different spices to kind of, bump up those flavors a little bit and to make it a little bit darker. Okay, so now once you have everything all melted down and combined, we're going to add in our chicken. Lots and lots of chicken. I went ahead and roasted the chicken earlier. You can use a rotisserie chicken, but I like to roast my own chicken. Dump that chicken in and just stir it up until it's combined. Add on some cheese. I'm using mozzarella and some mild cheddar. You can use your favorite kind. And now I like this sauce to be nice and chunky and thick, but if you want to thin it out, add a little bit of heavy whipping cream, and that will make it to where it's like nice and looser, if you will. That is the texture I like right here. That is the perfect texture for buffalo chicken dip, in my opinion. Okay, so we are pretty much done. You can serve it just like this if you want to, but I'm going to place it into this casserole dish here because I want to add some cheese on top. So dump it into a casserole dish, spread it out, get it all nice and smooth, and then top it with some cheese. I'm using mozzarella and mild cheddar. I want to try this with some smoked cheese. I don't know why. Something just telling me smoked cheese would be so good in this. So next we're just going to broil this in the oven just until that cheese has melted. It won't take long at all. When it comes out, it'll be nice and hot and bubbly, and you want to serve it immediately. I like to garnish it with some parsley. You can do some like blue cheese crumbles that'll look really cute. And as far as serving this, I think, look how creamy it is. It's so creamy. As far as serving it, I think you should only serve it with butter and toasted baguettes. For real, celery and carrots is good, but those baguettes, because y'all, this dip is so rich and it's spicy and it's cheesy, and it's just like those baguettes just calms everything down, and it just makes it so good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Later.